This is Random Fish Keeper 123, and I'm going to show you my tank. My Pleco is over there. I gotta get him some algae discs. My ghost fish is over there, and my new friend, my clown knife. He is around 3 inches, a baby. I got him on Thursday, and I am kind of nervous because I threw some feeders in there, and now they're gone. But I don't want him to really eat feeders because I don't want to spend that money. Because I have a big box of Tetrafin flakes, and can you please recommend me how long it will take for him to start eating and how he will notice the flakes that are on top. He is kind of scared right now because he's behind the heater, nervous. This is a 10-gallon. I'll get a bigger tank when he gets around 5 inches. So thank you very much, and please comment.